This is the Towmate tm5004 wireless transmitter, and the antenna is broken off. And today we're going to show you how to replace that. Now keep in mind, Towmate has lifetime guarantee. If you're in a pinch and you need to get this done today, this is how you do it. So you need to take and drill a hole wide enough for your soldering iron that it doesn't touch the sides, because this stuff will remelt and it gets sticky and it smells. I went with a solid wire and pushed it through here, got the old out, and then you'll be able to take and solder the wire from the top. And there you have it. So now all you need to do is seal this up so moisture doesn't get into this. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.